Mona, please. Help me. Oh my God, please. I don't know what's going on. I'm here. We are here. We are hospital now. Hurry up. Process. Thank you. Pepper. Thank you. Switching. Oh no, this patient needs more blood. Can you do cross match for him? I'm on it. Now I just wait for the result.
"20 minutes later." An hour later.
Is it done yet? No. Oh, okay.
2 hours later.
You move it along, I'm all out of time cards.
Doctor, oh no, I am super doctor, please, doctor. Hurry up, doctor, please. Please, doctor, please. Please, doctor. Not yet.
This is what happened when you do a cross match. It took a longer time for other people. But right now, we have an enhancement reagent. You know what is that?
Hello, my name is Anna. Today, I'm going to giving you a lesson about LISS reagent. Low ionic strand solution or LISS reagent is buffered low ionic salt solution of appropriate sodium chloride molarity and are incorporated in blood banking screening and compatibility testing. It is used to enhance antigen or antibody reaction. So now we're going to talk about the function of the LISS. The function of the LISS is used for 10 minutes of LISS, ASG and cross-match reaction. LISS ASG cross-match reaction can reduce the time of 2 full hours of normal ASG cross-match, making it for faster results in blood banking.
So, do you guys know about LISS yet? Well, it's okay. How about we're going to see, we put LISS in the cross-match and let's see what will happen.
So today I'm going to talk about how LISS reagent works. Do you guys know? Okay, this is how LISS reagent works. When optimum concentration of antibody is present, the antibody and antigen reactions will occur, even though they have sodium and also chloride ions present. Okay? But this will become a problem whereby weak antibody is present. So, because of this weak antibody is present, I will change it first, okay? Lightweight first, okay? So, when weak antibody is present, and whereby they have a presence of sodium and chloride ions, it will be hard for this weak antibody to attach to the antigen presence on red blood cells. Thus, this LISS reagent will work, whereby it will reduce the concentrations of sodium and chloride ions, which means I take it out, this one, we take this out, and thus reducing the strength of the sodium and chloride ion, making these weak antibodies to attach more to the antigen presence on the red blood cells, and thereby we will increase the uptake of the weak antibodies. And then that's all for these reagents. Thank you. So now I want to talk about the advantages of LISS or low ionic strength solution. The advantages is that it is detect most potentially clinically significant blood group antibodies. The second one is it is used for less sensitive than PEG for detection of warm autoantibodies. And it also may facilitate identification of antibodies by demonstrating reactivity at 37 degrees of phase of testing. Anti-Lewis A, anti-Lewis B, and M and N may be identified during this method. So now, what are the disadvantages of it? Disadvantages of LISS is it is less sensitive than gel or PEG or IAT in detection of some clinically significant blood group antibodies and warm reactive autoantibodies. And the last one is it is also used as enhanced detection of most cold reactive autoantibodies. As for conclusion, LISS plays a vital role in blood banking screening by lowering the ionic concentration of salt in order to enhance antigen or antibody interaction, especially in detection of weak antibodies during cross-match techniques, antibody screening, and antibody identification. That's all from us. Thank you for listening.
Gerak bahu. Okey. Tisu.